The thing that's always driven me crazy in the manufacturing industry is that it feels like the cell phone space. It's like T-Mobile. You get that bill and it's like, wait, I thought it was this per month. And then there's all these add-ons below. And the same thing's true in manufacturing where it's like, I thought this part was $10, but why there's this tariff fee and this shipping cost and this like engineering overhead, there's all these additional hidden costs. Something that we're really proud of is saying, we give landed costs. It's saying like, this is all in what it's gonna cost you. And that there's all this support that we give behind the scenes around logistics and quality management, program management, technical support. But we think that those shouldn't be additional costs. That's table stakes. That's what it takes to produce a great part. But I think a lot of folks have trouble understanding the value of those. As you're thinking about what's my true cost of building this part, we really want folks to think about, well, what do you need to support it? Do you have to hire more quality engineers? Do you have to hire more technical support? Do you need more supply chain managers? And if you had a world where you didn't need this large organization and you could just buy things or see the trade-offs at the tip of your fingers, how does that change your development? And I think it comes back to radical transparency. It comes back to guided expertise, all with this idea of can help you do faster development, can help you produce parts and have clarity on what your true costs are. And I think that's key to unlocking value in the industry.